So how does that truck turn about Bill?
Police brother drive this.
Yeah, it's a police car. Jolly, how I go on that's the man?
It's okay. I see a vehicle and I end up only.
I see a vehicle. Yeah, because me I try to understand how the truck turn over up the hill and then load. So you can't go fast up the hill.
Want to take up a stop?
Yeah, you can't go fast up the hill to turn over. So me I wonder what go on. You can't just go up the hill and turn over. You're mad with load.